Welcome to the tutorial for Facts on File. We will begin at the Long Valley Middle School library website, and from here you would click into subscription databases. And today we are going to look at Facts on File. The login is WT Schools and Library is the password. So, Facts on File is made up of quite a few different topic areas. It has a lot of information on careers, literature, language arts, medical, and can be used in pretty much any class that you're doing any kind of research for. We are going to focus on the World News Digest, Chelsea House Biographies, and American History Online. First, let's go into the World News Digest. And at the top, you can browse by topic, decade, country, or person. And these are the types of resources you can find for within each of the topics. So this might be a good place for you to start if you are searching for newsworthy type topics or even something that's controversial. You may find information here like you did in the Point of View reference database of EBSCO. So let's take a look. Let's go back to browsing by topic, and we will take a look here at immigration. It's a hot topic right now. So you can scroll down. These are in the main page. There are key news events pertaining to immigration. Over here on the right, you have a summary, and then under key issue of immigration, it's going to give you the varying viewpoints on this topic. So, and it will give you key recent storylines as well. And at the bottom, you will, for articles in Facts on File, it does give you the citation information. Some of the tools over on the right, you can print, email, save. Again, click on the citation, and it does have a read aloud option. All right, let's go back to news stories by decades. So if you are interested in a certain time period, you can take a look. The 1960s had a lot going on, so it's going to have some of the top news stories of each of the decades. All right, let's go back to go into Facts on File. Let's take a look at the Chelsea House biographies. This is an excellent resource. Again, if you're researching about a person, you've been asked to determine what they contributed to society. So let's take a look at Great American Presidents. We'll go into John Quincy Adams. This site is probably a little more high level, a little more detailed than the Facts site biographies. It has some of the basic information over here on the left, and there are timelines for each of the individuals. It summarizes each paragraph. So, and then it has additional information over here on the right. And again, you have your tools. You can print, share, cite. Let's go back. and you can browse through the different key components of John Quincy Adams' life. And then there, over on the right, there are additional links which you don't have in FactSite either. There is an advanced search that you can use. Again, Chelsea House biographies, it categorizes them. You can browse by occupation, time period, gender. If you are interested in researching about female, you can just look at the female options by collection, conservation heroes. It also indicates how many biographies they have within those topics. All right. So now let's go back and take a quick look at American History Online. And again, it has world history, ancient history. Facts on File includes pretty much every topic that you would need to do research for. So if we go into American History Online, again up here we have our topic centers, and it is set up by time periods. So if you know you're looking at the American Revolution time period, you can click right into that and it will have the key events going on. Over on the right, it has videos if they're available, and your primary source documents within each topic. And again, a primary source document is something that was actually in existence. It could be an original letter, original speech, and you probably looked at those last year when you were doing the Road to Revolution project. All right, let's go back. Let's take a look at the colonial era. Again, you have your videos. You can click into one of the articles. It will have the tools up at the top for you to save, print, share, download the citation, and Facts on File does support the MLA citation. So you would be able to export it directly to EasyBib or copy and paste it into a Word doc for your citation page. And I believe that is a pretty good summary. So Facts on File is a good go-to database for any type of research that you're doing, be it a biography, a time period, an event, science, health, has a lot of health issues. So be sure to use it as one of your main resources.